Assalamu alaikum viewers. Please, my name is Dishan. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Nowadays, my topic is the future of computer technology. How do we see the future? In 19s, people in 19s, people from Boston imaged by the year 2000. Boston at the end of the 20th century a glimpse into the distant future and what it reveals to the local prophets marvelous changes that are designed to take place in the day to come population of the great city may be 88 lakhs and our architecture, transportation, survive business methods and general mode of living will be radically transformed. Our commerce will have expanded enormously and ships 1000 feet long will carry our people and products to Europe in 4 or 5 days. The imaged airships may give us convenient way of life and wireless technology. So let us see aeroplanes, cars, buses, rockets. They did see the future. Although no one can exactly determine what the future is, we can have a glimpse of the future by learning from the past, by studying the present, by anticipating what comes next, which is the future. Computer review. A computer is a general purpose device that can be programmed to carry out a set of arithmetic or logical operations automatically. Equivalent of computer timeline. Throwback to the first generation computer, early Apple computer. Sometime in the future we accept will surprise us. Example in 1950 century, scientists from Rand Company mm, came up with a model for a home computer for the year 2004. This is what they came up with. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.